Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm great. How about you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. And I'm Tushar. I'm from Bangladesh.
Can you put your microphone?
Yeah, of course. Oh,
Sorry.
I forget it.
It's
Sorry.
okay. It's just that I barely hear you.
Yeah, I'm Tushar. I'm from Bangladesh.
Too sure.
Yes.
Did I pronounce it correct? Too sure. Okay.
Tushar. I sent you
E?
on.
Tushar or Tushar? Ah, Tushar. Okay.
Please check out inbox.
Okay, Tushar. Tushar. All right. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm too.
Oh, what about your background? I can see it's like
But,
trees with colors. What's that
yeah,
about?
this is colorful trees, and this trees designed by my Nipo.
Oh, it's a very artistic, I can say.
Yeah. Okay, could you please help me? As far as I know, you
Mm-hmm.
have, I mean, Cambly have a beautiful library. So please, can you fix the topics and we talk together about this topic?
Okay, so what do you want to talk about?
Anything, any topic, no problem. Actually,
Okay.
I want to improve my English skill. So,
All right. So can we have the icebreakers?
sorry,
Can you see this?
no.
I mean the slide. You cannot see it.
Mm, I can see now. Okay,
But
I
I'm
can.
going to change. It's just that I tried to click. So let's talk about food you love. Okay.
What is topic?
Foods you love.
Okay, okay.
Did you see the slide?
Yeah, I can't see anything. Just here I can see adult intro.
Huh? Okay. Should I share my slide? Please wait.
Yeah, of course.
Um. Okay, how about this? Can you see it now? Oh, you are seeing. Okay, don't mind. Never mind. You cannot
Okay.
see the slide. Um, how about
Yeah,
these now? Can you see it?
yeah, I can see now.
Okay,
Here is
nice.
vocabulary, categories of food, names of food, uh, like that.
So okay, so we have like four lesson overview today, and these are we are going to cover. So first, let's
Okay.
get started. What is your favorite food, Tushar?
Okay. Actually, we live in Bangladesh, and Bangladesh have own tradition or own food. We have,
Mm-hmm.
especially I like
Mm-hmm.
British food,
Okay.
like biryani or um, um, many types of fruits,
Mm-hmm.
um, and fried. I like so fried rice, and
Oh.
sometimes I feel I
Mm-hmm.
better when I saw in my on my dining table uh,
Okay.
many types of mashed,
Mm-mm.
potato mashed, fish mashed, and so many mashed. I love this food.
Okay, great. Next, what is your favorite meal to cook?
Actually, I don't cook, but sometimes I try when my sister or mother have not my home.
Mhm.
That time I'm trying. I was trying to cook something, and one
Okay.
day
Mm.
I make a food. Um, that food name is beef,
Okay, beef.
beef curry.
Oh, beef curry. Okay, I know. I
Yeah,
know.
beef curry. But I haven't eat because that food is not suitable for eat.
Okay, I understand. I'm not going to judge you. Okay.
Okay.
You can't cook yet. So, what is the most popular food in Bangladesh?
I said before we have culture or we have own food like
Mm-hmm.
our traditional food is panta or English.
Okay. So that's also popular in the foreigners or only in the people in your country? I'm
No,
pertaining to.
yeah. Um, we most of the people like rich food.
Mm, mm,
They're spicy food.
mhm, mm,
Anything those food are very spicy.
mhm.
That type of food we are like so much.
Okay, okay, great. So we have this. So let's have the vocabulary review. Can you read this section?
Yeah. Um,
Let's,
chicken,
okay.
meat, chicken, beef, fish,
Okay. Can you say it again? Chicken.
chicken, chicken,
Chicken. Chicken.
chicken,
Okay. Fish. And
fish.
this is beef.
This is beef.
Yes. Okay. So it's
Okay,
long. Beef.
beef,
Okay. Beef.
beef.
Okay. Next. Vegetables.
Vegetable or vegetable?
Vegetable.
Vegetable, vegetables,
Yeah. It's like do not pronounce the E. Vegetables.
vegetables.
Okay. Much better. Let's start.
Okay, tomato, onion, or pepper,
So let's go back to onion.
onion,
Yes. It's onion.
onion. Okay,
Okay.
pepper,
Yeah. Pepper is okay. Pepper.
pepper. Okay. Uh, Next, dairy,
Dairy.
dairy
Yes.
is milk, butter,
Okay, so cheese should be long because you see it's double E, right? Cheese.
cheese,
Not super long. Cheese.
cheese.
Okay. And then this, for you to be, to sound more natural, you can say butter.
Okay,
Butter. Yeah.
butter,
Yeah, a bit.
butter,
Yeah, because you say butter. It's like it sounds unnatural. So to be, sound like a native. Butter.
butter.
Okay. Next, let's go with starch.
Starch, bread, noodles, rice,
Okay, good job. So remember noodles.
noodles,
Noodles.
noodles,
It's not new. It's not new. New.
noodles,
It's not really new. Noodles. New, new,
n- no, noodle,
new, new,
noodles,
new. It's
no,
N-U.
no, noodles,
Yeah, noodles.
noodles,
Yes, that's right.
noodles.
Yes. Okay, so
Oh,
we're going to have these my favorite meal. Can you please
my
read?
yeah, of course, my favorite meal. Oh, okay. Let me one thing. Um, uh, Favorite or favorite,
Favorite.
favorite,
You don't
favorite,
have to read the O. Favorite.
favorite,
Yeah, so it sounds natural,
favorite,
right? Favorite.
favorite, favorite.
Yes.
Okay. My favorite meal of the day is lunch. My favorite things to eat for lunch is a what is this? Cheese,
Cheesesteak.
cheese steak,
Steak.
cheese,
Steak.
cheese steak.
Mhm.
Okay, cheese steak sandwich. It has beef, onion, peppers, and bread. This is this is cheese on the meat and vegetables. It's delicious.
Okay, so I'm going to read it and please listen, okay, and then read after me.
Okay,
My favorite meal of the day is lunch. My favorite thing to eat for lunch is a cheesesteak sandwich. It has beef, onions, peppers, and bread. There is cheese on the meat and vegetables. It's delicious. Okay, so
delicious,
yeah,
delicious.
delicious means
Okay,
good. All right. So please try to
okay,
read like how I did.
yeah. My favorite meal of the day is lunch. My favorite things to eat for lunch is a cheesesteak sandwich. It has beef, onion, peppers, and bread. This is cheese on the meat and vegetables. It's delicious.
Okay, wow, it's much better. You sound better than the first time. So,
Thank you.
do you have questions or anything you don't understand about this?
No, here I understand
Oh,
all word and all things.
very good. So, question and
And
answer. Please answer the question using this sentence, okay?
okay, what is your favorite meal?
And what foods are in your favorite meal?
Your favorite meal.
Okay,
Okay,
let's answer.
my favorite meal is how the best answer.
For example, my favorite meal is pasta. It has tomato sauce and hot dogs and mushroom in it. How about you?
Okay, my favorite meal is mashed.
Mhm.
Like it has potato mashed um,
It's okay.
or fish mashed or eggplant mashed. Any type of mashed in it.
Okay, wow, that's great. So please remember the sentence structure. Okay,
Okay,
next.
okay.
So, how often do you eat your favorite meal? So, for example, I eat my favorite meal once a week. What about you?
Okay. I'm trying to eat my favorite food in once a week, but sometimes it may be happen or not happen.
Mm-mm. So, sometimes.
Yeah.
So, it depends.
Okay.
Okay, so next. Do you usually cook your favorite meal at home or eat it at a restaurant? So I
Yes.
usually cook my favorite meal at home. What about you?
Okay. I also eat or cook my favorite food in at home.
Okay, good. So questions. Do you eat meat? Why or why not?
Mm.
Well, I do eat meat because it's healthy for my body. What about you?
Yeah, it's delicious, I think, and it's also helpful for our health or body.
Okay, so do you know anyone who doesn't eat meat? Well, I don't. Well, I eat meat and I don't know anyone who doesn't eat meat. What about you?
Yeah, meat. Actually, we are Bangladeshi, so we like delicious food or spicy food, and I think meat also this kind of food.
Oh,
So I can't ever see I can't never ever see that type of people who are not eat meat.
yeah, probably you are meat lover, right?
Yeah, meat lover.
Okay, so yeah, we are using would like if we want to make want or wish, and if we want to ask for something. Okay, so today we are going to use would like in a sentence, okay?
Okay, we have rest of 1 minute. So I have I have my Nipo account, and could you please call you again?
I cannot call you. You have to call me.
Yeah, of
Okay.
course. I mean, can I call you? y- have you any uh, reservation in this time?
Yeah, yes. I have no reservation at the moment.
Okay.
So I guess I'll see you in 1 minute. So are we going to continue this lesson or you want another
Yeah.
basic conversation topics?
No. I love this conversation, and I love from you.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So we are going to continue with would like. Okay,
Okay.
so
Do you do you usually cook your favorite meal at home or eat eat at a restaurant?
I
Restaurant.
sometimes cook and I eat in a restaurant. It depends on my mood, you know. If I'm too tired, I eat in restaurant, but if I want, I can cook. I
Okay.
know you cannot cook, so somebody is cooking for you.
Yeah.
I understand. So I guess I'll see you later.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Of course.
See ya.